Guys, this is Greg Robinson at MLM Builder Pro. Here we're doing our installation demo. It's part 2. So once you've actually set up your page like this, you'll want to log in here to finish your store setup. So you'll see here there's pending configurations that need to be handled. So we'll start here with commissions, and you'll click in memberships. And you'll see here the different packages, and you just go in and edit. And here's your commission. Say you want to make 10%, just type 10%. And that would be for the Platinum package. So you can go in and change that at any time, create new packages, and update. And let's see, let's do both of these here. Go ahead and make this one 5%. And we'll go back to the dashboard here, and now you'll notice that that's gone, and now we need to handle the mail settings. So here we will go into settings, and we'll just add your email here. Just go through and add mine, and save successful. And we'll go back to the dashboard here, and now video configuration. So we will want to click on manage videos, insert, and say G5 Party Boss, and we'll just add a YouTube video by copying the URL and just pasting it right in here. And if you notice here, there's instructions, and it says we really only just want that end number. So then we can just go in here and delete that, and you get your end number. And there it is. And now if you notice, you can go over to your videos page and see there it is. And you can add as many as you like. So back into the dashboard here. Contact configuration. So we can just add name, address, email, and if you want to have a map on there, you can add it, longitude and latitude for Google, and that's saved successful. So now we will go into product type configuration. Before you add products, you need to make product types. So we'll say energy drink, and that's created. And so now we'll go over here to products, and we'll insert a new product, and we'll say G5 energy drink case, G5, and product type, price, and we'll add the image here and save. And that's how you create your product and add products. And here for payment configuration, we can go into settings, and payment settings, and here you can add your PayPal ID and your shipping amount and tax. Save. Okay. Now we'll go back into the dashboard here, and all of our to-do list has been completed, and that wraps up video 2 of our installation demo, and thanks for watching.